Morning, friends. Welcome back to Calendar Time. I hope your day is off to an awesome start. Let's first start by making our number sentence today and sorting our friends' names by friends that have the letter D in their name and friends that do not, a capital or a lowercase d. So let's take a look at all of our friends' names. I see that Adeline has two lowercase d's in her name. Diego starts with a capital D. Oh, Richard has a D at the end of his name. Anybody else that has a letter D in their name? I don't see anybody. All right, let's count together. How many friends do have the letter D in their name? 1, 2, 3. Awesome. Let's write a number 3 beside in the box that says students with the letter D. Number 3. Awesome. Let's count and see how many friends do not have a letter D in their name. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17. I think that's the same number sentence we had the other day. If I'm writing a number 17, I start with writing the number 1, that's right. And then 17, I hear a 7 inside of that number. Let's read our number sentence together. 3 plus 17 equals 20. Very good. Let's take a look at our calendar today. Today is Wednesday, April the 29th. Wednesday, April the 29th. And we are getting very close to the end of April. And it is very soon going to be a new month. And that month will be the month of May. Does anybody have a birthday in the month of May? We're going to check it out very soon when I change the calendar over to the new month. Like I said, today starts like the letter W. Wednesday. Yesterday was Tuesday. Very good. And tomorrow will be Thursday. And if you'll remember, Thursday starts with the digraph TH. And that sounds like th. All right, let's say our shapes together. I'm going to point and you say the names. Don't let me trip you up. Pay attention. All right, awesome job, friends. Can you tell me something that you notice about an oval that is the same as a circle? Let me give you a hint. What kind of lines do both shapes have? That's right, they both have a curved line and no pointy corners. Curved lines on circles and ovals. All right, let's take a look at our favorite fruit graph again that we did while we were still at school. The other day, we noticed that bananas and apples were equal and oranges and blueberries were equal. Can you tell me which kind of fruit has the most? Which kind of fruit did the most friends choose as their favorite? That's right, strawberries. The most friends in our class chose strawberries as their favorite fruit. Do you know how we can find out how many friends chose strawberries? That looks like a lot without counting. Look at our graph. And I want you to go all the way to the top of the strawberry column. And then we're going to go directly over to where all the numbers are. And if I go directly over, I see that the top strawberry is right in line with the number 8. So that tells me that there are 8 strawberries in the strawberry column. Let's count and make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. So that's a way that we can find out how many are in that column without counting. Can you find out how many people chose cherries without counting? We're going to do the same thing. I'm going to go up to the top of the column and then all the way over to where the numbers are. What number did I land on? I landed on the number 4. So that tells me there are 4 people in our class who chose cherries as their favorite fruit. Let's count again together just to double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Now you have a quicker way to find out how many are in a column on your graph. Let's read our morning message together. Good morning, class. Today is Wednesday. Tell someone at home a word that starts with letter W because we have a new letter of the week, and that letter is W. Can you say the sound for the letter W with me today? Wah, wah, wah. You got it. Can you think of a word that starts like wah, wah, W? What kinds of things do you think are going to be in our sound tub this week? I've got one. How about watermelon? Watermelon. I hope you are able to think of a word that starts like the letter W as well. All right, let's see. Today, let's find out how many sentences are in our morning message. How many sentences? What is something that we can look for as a clue to how many sentences we might have? At the end of every sentence, what are you going to find? You're going to find some kind of punctuation, some kind of mark that tells you it's the end of that sentence. So let's look for those marks and see how many we have. Looks like today we just have periods as our punctuation for our sentences. I see 1, 2, 3 periods. Are there any more? Did I miss any? Doesn't look like it. Okay, so that's a clue that tells me there's probably 3 sentences in my morning message. Let's circle those sentences. Good morning, class. That's one sentence. And again, I know it's the end of my sentence because I see the period at the end. That also tells me that that's the next word is the beginning of a new sentence. Today is Wednesday. I'm going to circle the rest of my sentence, and there's that period again telling me that's the end of my next sentence. All right, and then that means that's the beginning of a new sentence. Tell someone at home. I'm at the end of the row, but is that the end of the sentence? Do you see a period? Me either. So that means our sentence keeps going on to the next line, all the way till we see the other period. Let's see here. All right. Tell someone at home a word that starts with letter W. There's the rest of that sentence. So let's count. We have 1, 2 sentences. Today is Wednesday is the next sentence. And then the last sentence says, tell someone at home a word that starts with letter W. Oh my, that's a lot of circles. But hopefully you get the point. We have 1, 2, 3 sentences in our morning message. Great job today, friends, and I hope you have a wonderful rest